Every second, millions of dollars change hands around the world. But have you ever wondered where money actually comes from?
Long before paper money, people traded food, animals, and precious metals. This system worked until the world needed something faster and more reliable.
Today's banknotes are among the most advanced products ever manufactured. Every note combines science, engineering, and world-class security. Every banknote begins not with printing, but with an idea. Designers spend months creating every tiny security detail. Before a single note is printed, every line, color, and security feature is carefully approved. Only then does the real journey of money begin. The design is finally complete. But what is banknote paper actually made of? The answer is far more surprising than most people imagine. Money isn't printed on ordinary paper. Most modern banknotes are made from a special cotton-based material designed to be stronger, cleaner, and far more durable than everyday paper. The cotton fibers are cleaned, mixed with purified water, and transformed into an incredibly strong paper pulp for future banknotes. Before the paper dries, one invisible security feature is already created. A watermark is permanently built into every sheet, making it extremely difficult to counterfeit. Next comes one of the most important protections. A microscopic security thread is embedded inside the paper, becoming a permanent part of every future banknote. After careful inspection, the finished sheets are cut and prepared. Now, they are finally ready to enter the world's most advanced printing machines. Paper is ready, but printing money is far more complex than using ordinary ink. The next step reveals the extraordinary technology that brings every banknote to life. The blank security paper enters the printing hall. Huge precision presses apply the first background colors, creating the foundation of every future banknote. Every printed layer must align perfectly. Even the smallest mistakes, the sheet is rejected before moving forward. Next, specialized printing techniques create sharp details and rich textures. These features improve durability and help make genuine banknotes easier to recognize. Every sheet is inspected repeatedly. Automated systems and trained specialists work together to maintain the highest production standards. After passing every inspection, the printed sheets move deeper into the secure production facility. The banknote is beginning to take shape. The designs are now complete, but before these sheets can become real money, they must pass through one final series of advanced quality checks and finishing processes. Before becoming legal currency, every printed sheet undergoes one final inspection. Advanced imaging systems check each sheet to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Approved sheets now enter precision cutting machines. In just seconds, large sheets are transformed into perfectly sized individual banknotes. Every note is counted automatically. Bundles are organized, sealed, and prepared for secure transport. The newly printed money is finally complete. Stored inside highly secure vaults, it waits for authorization before entering the nation's financial system. The money has been printed, but no one can spend it yet. Its next destination is the country's financial system, where its real journey begins. With production complete, the newly printed banknotes are prepared for delivery. Their destination? The nation's central banking system. After transportation, the new currency arrives at the central bank. Here, it becomes part of the nation's official cash supply. From the central bank, new banknotes are distributed to financial institutions. This keeps cash available wherever people need it.
Regional financial centers supply commercial banks with fresh banknotes. Soon the money is ready for everyday use. At last, a customer withdraws newly printed banknotes. After an extraordinary journey, the money finally enters everyday life. But a banknote's journey doesn't end after its first transaction. It will pass through countless hands, until one day it becomes too worn to remain in circulation. The banknote begins its real purpose. It buys groceries, pays for services, and becomes part of everyday life.
One single banknote may travel through hundreds of people. Every purchase, every payment adds another chapter to its story. Eventually, the banknote returns to a bank. Here, it is counted and prepared for its next journey through the economy. Not every banknote remains perfect. Modern machines examine each note to determine whether it is still suitable for circulation. If a banknote remains in good condition, it returns to circulation. If it becomes too worn, its final journey is about to begin. Every banknote has a limited life. But what happens when money becomes too old to use? The answer is more fascinating than you might imagine.
After years of daily use, the banknote begins to wear out. Folds, stains, and small tears are signs that its journey is coming to an end.
Advanced inspection systems carefully examine every returned banknote. Those that no longer meet quality standards are permanently removed from circulation. Once officially retired, the worn banknotes are securely destroyed. This makes room for newly printed currency to replace them. Whenever possible, retired banknote material is responsibly recycled. This helps reduce waste and supports a more sustainable production cycle. As one banknote's journey ends, another is already being created. The cycle continues, keeping the world's economies moving every day.
A single banknote may last for years, touch hundreds of lives, and travel thousands of kilometers. But its story is only one small part of a much larger financial system.
Cash is used every day for shopping, travel, and business. Financial institutions work together to help keep enough banknotes available where they're needed.
As older banknotes wear out, newly printed notes gradually replace them. This continuous cycle helps maintain a reliable cash supply.
Today, cash and digital payments exist side by side. Each plays an important role, giving people different ways to pay.
One single banknote may travel thousands of kilometers and pass through countless hands before it is finally retired.
Behind every banknote is a remarkable journey of design, engineering, quality control, and everyday use. It's more than paper, it's part of how economies move. We've followed one banknote from creation to circulation. But the story of money is still evolving. The future may look very different.
Money has evolved for thousands of years, from trading goods to coins, paper notes, and digital payments. Its journey is still far from over.
Even in a digital world, cash continues to play an important role. For millions of people, it remains simple, reliable, and accessible.
A single banknote can travel thousands of kilometers. Passing through countless hands, it quietly becomes part of everyday life.
The true value of money comes from trust. Behind every banknote are years of engineering, quality control, and careful management. From a simple sheet of cotton paper to a trusted symbol of value, the journey of money is one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements. Every day, billions of banknotes circulate across the world, quietly supporting trade, business, and everyday life. A banknote is more than paper. It represents innovation, precision engineering, and the confidence of millions of people.
While one banknote reaches the end of its life, another is already beginning its own journey. The cycle never truly ends.
Every object around you has an incredible story waiting to be discovered. Subscribe now and explore the hidden science behind our world.
From a single cotton fiber to the money in your wallet, this is the extraordinary journey of a banknote, one of the world's greatest stories of science, technology,